Hey guys, and welcome back to Reagan's Reading Corner. Today we have another guest star, one of my friends, Vienna. She'll be reading an amazing Halloween book today, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Hey guys, and welcome back to Reagan's Reading Corner. Today we have another guest star, my friend Vienna. She's going to be reading an amazing Halloween book today, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Take it away, Vienna, with a great Halloween book. Who's That? By Kay Winters. Who's that? Prancing in the park. Who's that? Prowling in the dark. Who's that? Hanging upside down. Who's that? Scrowl with a frown. Who's that? Rattling beep boop bones. Who's that? Shrieking scary moans. Who's that? Brewing savory stew. Who's that? Hooting. Woo, woo, woo. Who's that? Wearing an orange glove. Who's that? All dressed up to go. Trick or treating on Halloween! Wow, lots of candy, guys. That's the end of Who's That? By Katie Winters. Back to Reagan. I hope you guys enjoyed Vienna reading a Halloween book, and I hope you guys are in the Halloween spirit like me right now. Thank you so much for reading, Vienna, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye! Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe down below.